So this is Shoreland in Glen Burnie, Point Pleasant. Really great block. This is right on the end, about 4 houses down, is that really nice house that we looked at a few months ago. It had the garage, the pool, the other garage was really nice. Everyone has nice big lots here. So you have this big driveway that leads to a 1-car garage, nice little patio area, and all of this is fenced, which is always nice. And the backyard is huge also, and I like that it backs to the power lines because you don't have any neighbors behind you, you have a field. So you got some Baltimore brick. I would think the easy thing to do would just be to paint it all. Windows need to be replaced, but the roof looks like it's in good shape. I don't think you need to do anything there. You need central air, central heat. There's oil right now. There is a basement. It's down here. I didn't go in it. But overall, upstairs, the house seems like it's in good shape. So here's your nice big garage. It also has like a little addition shed on the back. And then here's the backyard. It keeps going. It's huge. And I think that's a school or something right there. I'm not sure, but it's nice that you have all this space. So the inside, there is living space because of this addition, but the question is, what do you do with all that space? How do you configure it so that it makes sense? Right now it says it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. We'll go check it out. I'm just going to do a quick peek inside the garage so you could at least maybe no, never mind. You can't see what's in there. But from what I see, you have a nice clean garage that's in good shape. And then there's a little back entrance. It's like a separate little room. That could be like a small workshop. I'm going to go in the main entrance so you can get a feel for the layout a little bit better. Nice patio as you walk in. Door, peeling and chipping paint. I would replace the door. And here to the left is water damage from this old window here. But let's pull back. Hopefully you can see okay. So I walk in the front entrance. There is wallpaper throughout. Carpet would need to be replaced. The electricity, it's all the 2 prongs, so that would need to be updated. And as you can see, there's all this baseboard heat. You would need the central air. So right here on the right when I first walk in, is the first bedroom. And I would consider this a medium-sized bedroom, maybe like 10 by 13, something like that. 12 by 13, 12 by 14, somewhere around there. And closets, it's a small closet, not very big, like 3 feet maybe 4 feet. But anyways, let's pull it back. You do have an attic here though. So I guess this would be a small living room and then a really big dining room it's set up. This is why I think the rooms would really need to be reconfigured. And off of the dining room is the 1 full bath. And everything's purple. Got some textured wallpaper. So this would all have to be redone. So that's your 1 full bath. Then we pull back out. Straight ahead is the kitchen, but I'm going to cut to the right. Second bedroom. Pretty small, maybe 10 by 10, but you have a lot going on here. You have 2 doors and this closet over here. So I guess the obvious thing to do would be to get rid of one of these doors. And I almost feel like, well, let me show the house first and then I'll give you my opinion. So here's the bedroom. I'm going to walk back out to the main area. And again, I think I said it, but all the windows do need to be replaced. And then we'll push into the kitchen here, which is very narrow. It's a narrow galley kitchen. Another door here to the side. And beyond the kitchen is an addition. Right now it's kind of set up like a sunroom. So I think the obvious thing to do would be to knock this wall out. I'm not sure if it's a load-bearing wall. I think it is because of the addition. This is like I think this is like a separate structure here. So it might be difficult to knock the wall out, but I don't know, it's a narrow kitchen. Cabinets are in pretty good shape though. If you could reuse these cabinets. I mean, there's a lot of them, and they're kind of custom, how one wraps around over here. And you got a nice little peekaboo over there for the microwave. Should replace the hardware. But anyways, so from the kitchen, here is the family room. And this door here on the right is that second bedroom we were just at. So you have this space to work with also. And then this isn't the only space. So I guess the question is, where would you put another bed and bathroom? Over here to the left is where the utilities would go, as you can see. And then we push back around this way, another French door, and so many doors in this house. These people really like doors. Here's the porch. So again, I don't know what you could do with this space. There's a lot of space here, but what do you really do with it? My thinking was somehow that bedroom is converted into a bathroom, and then you add another bedroom here. So then you have a bathroom. Well, you can't even, then you would have 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. So I don't know. That's the tricky part with this house, is how it's configured. I don't know how you would want to rearrange it all. But just to, again, give that quick tour, get an idea for the layout. Here I am going through the kitchen, and then here's the oversized dining room, smaller living room, bedroom to the left, and the front door. So you need HVAC, you need new windows, you need to paint the exterior. The yard does not need much work at all. That garage right there does not need much work at all. Maybe just an electronic opener. The roof doesn't need work. The electric will need to be updated, and the plumbing is, I'm not sure. So we'll have to look into the plumbing also, could be a variable.